Namaskar, this is Latika and welcome to another video. For today's video, I have a very exciting wedding guest lookbook. I styled and put together 3 wedding looks for a haldi/sangeet, for a cocktail and for the wedding itself. And we're going to be talking about the makeup, the hair, the accessories of each individual outfit. And yes, the rest of this video is shot at a different setup than my usual setup. So I hope you enjoy that and I want you to completely be in that experience. And as we look at each look, I will talk more about it. So let's get started with the first look.
For the first look, which could probably be a day function, say a haldi or a mehndi, I start off with a very natural base and I try to keep the entire focus of this look on the eyes, hence starting with a lighter brown shade and gradually moving towards a darker brown shade on the crease area. And then for the eyelid all over, I decided to apply this really nice shimmery pink silver combo. Now to further intensify the eyes, of course, I had to go in with a really nice winged eyeliner. I start from the middle of my eyelid and then gradually extend the wing outwards. And then to pop out the eyes even more, I take this white kohl pencil and apply it in the lower lash line, and this just finishes the entire eye look and defines the shape really nicely. Since the eyes are very well defined, for lipstick I decided to go with a nude color. Can never go wrong with that. So this one is a brown peachy shade and just a hint of gloss on top to exaggerate the look even further. Now coming to the hair of this look, since the entire outfit is a very simple suit, I decide to do a braid with this one, and specifically I'm going to be doing the fishtail braid. So all I do is part my hair into two, apply a little bit of serum so that any frizziness is eliminated and the hair settles. Then for the fishtail braid, you basically divide your hair into two and start taking out one section and putting it with the other section, and then gradually repeat the same thing. So take one section from the end of the left section and then put it over the right section, and then gradually knots are formed. It is a tricky process, you have to be very careful. Just make sure that you're holding the two separate halves of the hair correctly and you'd all be good to go. It definitely gets better with a lot of practice. Now to finish off this entire look, the eyes were very well defined, the hair was very neat, and now I just wanted that extra oomph. So for jewelry, I decided to go in with these big silver jhumkas. So the second look, I wanted to keep it a surprise for you, which is why we first had the montage. And now just to go into the details of the entire outfit, I chose this really nice satin color. It's almost a sangria color, and I paired it up with a simple gold blouse. To accessorize, I did want to keep it very classic, so I went in with a really nice stud white choker, had my hair in a really sleek ponytail, and along with that I matched my bag, wore simple embellished earrings, and yeah, overall this look is just so statement, so classic, and it will shine in a night event. Now, of course, coming to the favorite look, the heaviest look out of all of them, which is the look you can go for in probably the wedding function itself. Start out with a natural base, a base that suits you, followed by really strong bronzer and highlighter to really exaggerate the contours of the face. For the eyeliner, I again start from the middle of the eyelid and slowly extend the wing and apply loads of mascara. You can even go for falsies in this one. Now for lipstick, I wanted a more reddish nude, so I first wore this red liquid lipstick, and on top of that I paired a nude matte shade. Because the entire outfit is going to be so heavy, I want to keep the hair very sleek. Buns have my heart. I think they are so simple to do. So as you can see, I literally just parted my hair, took it all back into a ponytail, and then slowly turned it around to form a donut and pinned it all up in place. This is the outfit. It's a beautiful grey lehenga all over. It's the same fabric which I paired up with glitter lace up heels. Got a dupatta to match it all, and of course styled it with a beautiful latkan. For earrings, I incorporated the color scheme, went for silver jhumkas and a teal teardrop shaped ring.
Hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. There was so much effort put in this video, and I hoped you liked it and maybe got some tips for the next event you have to attend. Keeping in mind the current situation, we may not have a wedding to attend anytime soon, which is why I tried to keep a more evergreen lookbook which you can refer back to any time. Any other thoughts you have, feel free to drop them down in the comments box, and I shall see you on Sunday with a special Sunday video.